Hi, welcome back to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have this bird of paradise that I drew on a paper. I have glass over the top. I'm going to be outlining it with the PBO Sarin Relief outliner. I know a Fluid Art Company has something similar, or they might have this brand to do outlines. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the whole thing or just the flower part. But I have all these colors here. These are crushed glass, and I colored them with alcohol ink and some pigments. So I'll be using these in different areas of the flower and all the leaves. So I guess we'll get going. I'm going to go ahead and put on music. And I probably speed this up because this is really not easy to work with. So we'll get going. It was a little easier than I thought it would be. Not exactly perfect, but I left that out. That was a little confusing. So now I have to let this dry, and what's going to happen is I'll go ahead and use Tri Art liquid glass, and I'll paint inside, and then I will pour these on there. Let them dry, dump it out. I'll have to do one color at a time, so this will be, I'm gonna put it in this frame, and I haven't decided what kind of background I want. I might leave it clear. Now that I've done this, I can take this off, or I'm just gonna leave it on. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it clear, so you can have whatever background. It'll just be clear, or I think it would look good with a black background. So what I'll do is I'll get some ink paper, copy ink paper, inkjet paper, and I'll probably paint it black and put that as a background because I think that would look really good. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with this little stem parts in the middle. If I should just do all green, or if I should go ahead and put the stem down the middle. I might do that. I might go ahead and the major middle stems, I think I should do that in gold. Yeah, okay, I think I'm going to. I think that would just be too big of an area. So let me go ahead and do that. You have to work pretty fast with this. In other words, just keep it going. Keep constant pressure. Alright, I'll be back when it dries. Okay, I'm back. It's been a couple weeks. I've been doing other projects, but I think I'm going to change it up. I tried to pour some of this on the flowers, and just keeping this outline with how big the glass is wasn't working. So I think now I did get some glitter that are around the same colors. I might try doing glitter, but first I want to paint a background. I also took some of the leaves out. I think it was just a little bit too busy, and I put the leaf veins in there with I mean, this is my first one. It's not super easy to work with, but I think it would be better the more you do it. I have my paint all on a palette. I'm going to go ahead and paint this first, and then I think after is when I'm going to do the liquid glass and sprinkle some glitter on it. maybe. So we'll see. I might do resin on it after, but it's just a work in progress, so let's get going. Okay, you're getting the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the leaves, and yeah, I'll probably have to go over a lot of it because, as you can see, it's very transparent. You have to use a very soft brush. You can't, it's hard to use a stiffer brush because it'll just wipe the paint right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera. You get the idea, and I'll bring you back when I'm finished. I'm back. I taped off the back so when I pour resin over the whole thing it won't leak through. And there's also the glue that's holding the glass in. I spray painted this paper, cut it to size, and that's going to be sitting on the inside. For now it's just sitting there. I used acrylic paint for the painting, gave it a couple coats. It's still not completely covered, but you can't really see it on the black background. So now I'm going to be using Tri-Art liquid glass, and I'm going to be painting that inside the flower, and then I'm going to be sprinkling some bling. That's as close to orange as I could get. I don't think I'm going to fill the whole thing up, but I'm not sure until I get going on it. Then I have all the other different colors, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do the leaves or put any glitter. Let's get going. Done. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the pink, if I want to put glitter. I probably need to add more things here, maybe put some white glitter right here. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the stem. Maybe I'll do that in glitter also. But I need to let it dry first, so I'll bring you back. And also, I'm not sure if I want it to be clear, well, white, or the black. Okay, I'm ready to put some resin over the whole thing, make the glass stick a little better. So I'm going to be mixing it up, and I'll be right back. I just mixed up some Paduo resin, and I'm going to drizzle it over the flower and the leaves to make sure that the glass adheres a little better. And then I'm just going to pour it over the whole thing. I think that's it. So we'll just wait till tomorrow, and hopefully it's not going to leak underneath with the glue and the tape. I'll check it out and see what it looks like. Finally finished this multi-step process. I think it turned out really well. And if you want to remove the black background, you have the clear and whatever background you want to put in there. Please subscribe, it helps me out. Push the notification bell, shop my Amazon links. Thanks so much for watching. Aloha.